Welcome to Forcorp's tutorial on the search panel in eLands. In this video, we will cover how to search, edit filters, use the entity type filter, and save frequently used searches. Searching. Here you will see your filters and search bar, which you will use to look up records in eLands. When you type something in the search, all related records will show up below. You can also sort your search results by the column, or there is a filter option next to some of the column names. We can see that the filters shown in pink have filters applied, and display a filter or a sorted icon. If you click on a record, the Entity Details panel will appear to the right, which displays information about the record. And if the entity is associated with spatial data, the map will zoom to it. Only one record can be selected at a time. There are privacy settings in eLands that only allow users to view search results that are related to the companies that they are associated with in their profile. Underneath the search results, you will see a function to hide inactive records. An inactive record would be something that is canceled or expired, or in the case of an invoice, one that has been paid. If you have the box checked, then the inactive records will not show up below. If you are looking for an active record, it can be helpful to have the box checked to filter out irrelevant records. To clear all the filters, click on the Clear button. Editing filters. Your search filters are located here above the search bar. Use these filters to help narrow down the search results and find records more efficiently. You can use the drop-down to select a filter option, but given the amount of options for some of the filters, they won't all show up in the drop-down, and you may need to type into the box to find what you are looking for. Click on the filter to select it. The checkmark means that the records with this value will show in the results. If the filter is clicked again, it will change to a minus sign, which means that the records with this value will be excluded from the search results. Click the filter once more to deselect it. You can also edit which filters are displayed by going to More. Search for filters here and select the ones that are useful to you, or deselect those that are not. Using the entity type filters. You'll find that the entity type filter is very helpful in narrowing down the number of search results. Click on the drop-down and you will see a list of entity types. You can edit the list of entity types by going to your profile and editing your preferences. Here, there is a list of entity types you can hide. If there are some entity types that you know are not useful to you, then add them to the Hide Entity Types list. Now, ones that you've selected to hide will no longer appear on your filter or in your search results. You can add them back anytime by removing them from your profile's hidden list. Saved searches. Now we will create some saved searches. If there is a particular set of filters that you commonly use, you should set them as a saved search. Select your set of filters. Anything that you type in the search bar will also be added as a part of your saved search. Go to the Save Searches and give your new custom search a name. Now you can select your saved searches, and it will automatically populate the filters you have set up. You are also able to delete and update your searches. Another set of preset saved searches can be found at the top of the search panel. There are quick searches for announcements, urgent items, and requires action that can be selected to display requests waiting for input.